Oh, she was young. They saying, and rock with your boy, this is absolute banger. Hey, shout out to my wild thing. Come on. Okay. Welcome, my young, you know what I'm saying, absolute, you know what I'm saying, kings and queens, you know what I'm saying, you're now watching Absolutely Munchie, and today we're going to be reacting to one of my favorite bands, you know what I'm saying, and they go by the name of Liliac, okay, the Liliac band, or Liliac, yeah, I mean, well, how else can you pronounce it, Liliac, you know what I'm saying, that's the only other way. And people still trying to tell me how to pronounce it correctly. But anyway, it's neither here or there. I really don't care. You know what I'm saying? The only thing I do care about is their music and their awesome sound, you know what I'm saying, which they do have, you know what I'm saying? Today we're going to be reacting to one of their old songs called Wild Thing. It's just a wild thing. I don't even remember the rest of the words, but that's good because, you know what I'm saying, I'm trying to get myself, you know, you get copyrighted for just singing the song. You know that? Did you know that? Oh yeah, and by the way, this is going to be an edited video, so if you guys can't wait until I hit 1,000 subscribers or whenever YouTube let me get the join button, you know what I'm saying, you will have access to the official unedited videos, you know what I'm saying. Now I can be nice and give y'all the link to the description, but you got to download either Telegram, and if you actually want to see the full video for real, as soon as I upload it, if you really rocking with me, if you got Facebook, I think I could send you videos on Facebook Messenger. Okay, all right. I will make a Discord in the future weeks coming, so just stay tuned for that. So I'm gonna try my best to get y'all guys to understand, like, stop showing the negativity, because I understand where y'all coming from, but I don't want to hear nothing about, oh, they ain't gonna get you copyrighted and all that stuff. Like, if I edit the video from the when you see this video, evidently, like, I don't know how smart y'all is, but evidently I did try to upload the video without the copyright. But then even if I do upload it and it don't get no copyright, it could get copyrighted later, so that's no good. And then if the video get fully blocked, there ain't nothing you can really do anyway. Ooh. Oh, this is actually the song. Wild Thing. Oh, snap. Oh, she was young. They saying, oh my God, look how little she is. Oh, she was born to be a star. She was born to be a rock star. Hell yeah, let's go, Liliac. Just a wild thing. We make it sing. And her hair is different. I thought she was a full-headed brunette. This is a real hair color, huh? Sing it, girl. Come on. your hands up. Shake it, bang, hey. Cap, this is her years younger. You know what I'm saying? We just went into the past, y'all. You know what I'm saying? We react to this. We are reacting to this in 2022. You know what I'm saying? Damn, I am highly impressed. So one thing I want to mention, I didn't talk a lot in this video because I definitely wanted to do like an evolution type of thing from what I see, because all my Liliac videos are, I forget her name, but the lead singer her hair is not even that color. She has the black hair, you know what I'm saying, brunette, so to speak, you know what I'm saying. But I think this is a real hair color. I ain't gonna lie. I actually have a Caucasian friend or white friend, you know what I'm saying. Her natural hair color was this blondish color, but she got reddish. It's like blonde and red, so she must have dyed her hair, or it probably was red before or something like that. But I didn't know that, you know what I'm saying. She do look the same, you know what I'm saying. Just, you know what I'm saying. The facial expressions she was making, you know what I'm saying. The only thing that I don't know when she adapted that spinning the microphone stand thing. I was waiting for her to do that. I thought she was gonna do it like right at the end, you know what I'm saying. But this girl know how to do an intro, an outro. Like the way she ended the song, I love her delivery. I love her cadence, and she sounds super good. It's just a younger version, you know what I'm saying, of the Liliac band. Shout out to my boy, I see you, you know what I'm saying. His hair wasn't, you know what I'm saying, his hair not long as it is now, the guitarist, you know what I'm saying. Shout out to the female drummer. And some of them are like, so she got taller, because they all, I'm not gonna say the same height, but they all taller than her. And all the videos that I've reacted to this band so far, besides this video until now, she looks like they're the same height. Now I can't really tell because it's a music video, but she looked like she's the same height, but you can tell she's definitely older, you know what I'm saying. But she sounds so good. 5 stars, 10 out of 10, you know what I'm saying. Them weirdos up there making noise, yeah, y'all hear that? Those are weirdos up there. We're gonna put them in a video. When people do weirdo we're gonna put them in a video. You know what I'm saying? Like, they probably hear me making videos. They be making noise all the time when I'm just trying to do a video, you know what I'm saying?